Good morning, class 2. It's your lesson number 2, Investigating Plants. We have already discussed this chapter, but now I will go through this chapter for you first. So, we have discussed about the China rose plant. It has many parts, it has big flowers, it has green leaves, it has hard stem, and it has roots which are under the ground. There are different parts of plants such as leaves, trunk, branches, flowers, bud, leaf, stem, flowers. And lastly, we have discussed every part of plant in little detail such as the roots. Roots are grown under the ground and used to supply water, minerals and nutrients to the whole plant, while stem is between the roots and the leaves and it is very important and used to support the plant. Some plants have soft stems while other like trees have the hard stem known as trunk. Plants have leaves which grow on the stems. It has different shapes and sizes. It is of green color mostly, while later on when it turned old its color changes to brown. Buds open up to make flowers, and flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant, as you can see this. And then flower changes into fruit. Here you can see these are the fruits, and fruits contain seeds. So today we will do the back exercise of this chapter. So let's get started. Exercise question number 1, match each of the word to a part of the plant. So there are some words written on the top and there is a diagram of the whole plant. So you have to match the word to a part of a plant. So let's get started. So first word is fruit. Now as we all know that fruit contains seeds, so here these are the strawberries and they contain seeds on them, so this is a fruit, so we will match it like this. Fine. Next word is root. Now see, as we all know that roots are present under the ground, so this portion is present under the ground and it supplies water and nutrients to the whole plant, so this is the roots, so we will match the root here like this. I'll show you how. So here we will match it. So our next word is leaf. So now tell me, where are the leaves? As we all know that leaves are the green portion of the plant. Here you can see it's of different shape and sizes. So these are the leaf. So we will match leaf with this. Okay. Next is flower. Here you can see that flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. So these are the flowers. So we will match it here like this. Next word is stem. Now look in this picture. Where do you see the stem? As we all know that stem is the supportive portion of the plant. So where do you see the stem? Here. This is the stem as it supports the plant and present above the ground. So we will match it here like this. Number 2, fill in the blanks. A, roots take dash from the soil. Now you people tell me, what things roots take up from the soil? As we have already discussed that roots are present under the soil and it takes up water from the soil to the whole part of the plant. So we will write it as A, roots take water from the soil. So what would we write here? Water. B, the stem of a tree is called dash. It is very simple. We have already discussed about this. Now tell me, what is the stem of a tree called? So here we have already discussed some plants have soft stems like this, while tree has strong and rigid stem, that is a trunk. So we will call it as trunk. So the stem of a tree is called a trunk. We will write here trunk. B. The stem of a tree is called a trunk. Next, C. Leaves changes color when. So as we all know that leaves are of green color, then you people tell me, when would they change their color? Here you can see these are the green leaves and it started changing its color and then it turns brown. So why they change its color from green to brown? Leaves changes its color when they become old. So here we can write it as leaves changes color when it becomes old. D. A bird turns into a dash. This is very simple. Now you people tell me, when birds open up it turns to a? It turns to a flower. A bird slowly opens up and turns into a flower. You can see this. Bird turning into a flower. So here we will write it as a bird turns into a flower. E. The flower's job is to make dash. Now, tell me, what is the flower's job? Flowers into what? Flowers turns into what? You people tell me, we have already discussed this. So here, flowers turn into fruits. And fruits contain seeds. So here we will write it as the flower's job is to make fruit. Part 3. Name and draw the parts of a plant. So here a statement is given and here you have to mention the part of a plant by reading the statement and then draw it here in the box. So let's start. A. Grows down into the soil. So we have to write the part of a plant that grows down into the soil. What thing grows under the ground or under the soil? You people tell me. We have already discussed this. Yes, this is roots. All plants have roots and roots grow down into the soil. Roots take water from the soil and roots have many small branches as you can see this. So here we will write roots and then draw here roots. Let me show you how. So grows down into the soil is roots and we have draw the roots. B. Between the roots and the leaves. So we have to mention the part of a plant that is present between the roots and the leaf. Now you people tell me, what thing is present between the roots and the leaf? Yes, it's a stem. Stem is present between the roots and the leaf. So we will write here stem and then draw it. B. Between the roots and the leaves, it's stem and we have draw it. C. Are usually green. So what part of a plant is usually green? Yes, it's the leaf. Leaves are mostly green. So we will write here leaves and then draw it. C. Are usually green are the leaves and we have draw it. Next, D. Are beautiful parts of plant. Which part of plant is the most beautiful? So these are the flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful parts of the plant and we like flowers for their colors, shapes and smell. So here we will write flowers and then draw it. So here we will write it as are beautiful parts of plants, flowers and we have draw it. Next is E. Has seeds. So which part of a plant has seeds? This is very simple. We all know that fruits has seeds. So here we will write fruit and then draw a fruit. E has seeds, its fruits and we have draw it as you can see. So students, hope so you have better understand this exercise.